In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an n8n account. By the end, you'll have your n8n workspace ready to explore automation without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest route if you don't have the direct link handy. In the search bar, type n8n, spelled N, the number 8 and N, and press enter. In the results, look for the official n8n workflow automation site. You'll recognize it by the n8n.io domain and the padlock icon in the address bar, which confirms you're on a secure, legitimate page. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner and click Get Started. That will take you straight to the registration form where you'll set up your account. Begin by entering your company email. Use an address you actively monitor, ideally your work email if you'll collaborate with a team, so important notifications and invites land in the right inbox. Next, confirm your email address in the second field. Make sure both entries match exactly. Small typos are the most common reasons signups fail, so it helps to copy and paste carefully. Now, type your full name. This is how teammates will see you inside the workspace, so make it clear and professional. Then create your password. Choose a strong, unique passphrase that's hard to guess and not reused from other sites. Longer is better, and mixing letters, numbers, and symbols increases security. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save one. After that, set your account name. Think of this like your workspace or organization identifier. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to share. Many platforms prefer lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens with no spaces. Pick something your team will instantly recognize. You'll see an option to keep up with product improvements via the newsletter. This is completely optional. If you want helpful updates, check the box. If not, leave it unchecked. You can always change your preference later. When everything looks good, click Start Free 14-day trial. This submits your details and creates your n8n account so you can begin exploring right away. In a moment, you should be taken into your workspace where you can start testing workflows, browsing templates, and getting comfortable with the interface. That's all you need to create your n8n account from scratch. If you found this helpful, feel free to pause and follow along step by step. In our next videos, we'll walk through building your first automation so you can turn repetitive tasks into reliable, hands-off workflows. Thanks for watching and enjoy automating with n8n.